Guys, uh, I'm reporting with the new screens and yeah, the new flow, and as well some cosmetic and user-friendly changes. I thought that it's better to go through them with my over voice instead of just writing them down, so it's quicker and it's more understandable. So yeah, if you can see here that the indicator is moved to the top, so it's more noticeable how many unread messages you have. So yeah, the behavior stays the same here. And I've also updated the more icon to the input box, where basically you can select from to send money, to request money, and as well to add stickers. So yeah, if you send money, you know this is basically the same screen. And yeah, if you go to request money, it will be the same screen but with different color, but the same flow. And yeah, the stickers here, if you tap them, you get like stickers. This is just a placeholder from Facebook, but yeah, I guess you will enter your own stickers there. And yeah, if you click X, you get back to this menu. If you click X again, you get to the right to replay. And also for a quick shortcut, if you don't want to tap all these things, basically what the user expects, if he clicks here, then he goes back to this screen and everything is closed here. So that's what is updated here in the chat screen. And as well, I've added another flow to the send money screen. So for example, if you write the amount here and click send, basically that amount comes here on top, and then here you're asked to write the pin in the same field, so we don't over bloat the screen with a lot of UI elements. Yeah, if you click back, then you get back to this screen to change the money, or if you click cancel, you get back to this screen from the verification pin as well screen. So yeah, that's a shortcut to just quickly escape. Okay, so also this icon is changed to represent more that this is to start a conversation, because this is used throughout the other screens as well. We can see here that if we go to the contact screen, that is changed to add a contact. So I don't know if that a feature will be available or if it will just automatically scans the contacts that in your address book. That's yeah, up to the functionalities and how far we want to go with this. And yeah, if you click this, yeah, you can create a group from here, or you can add a number, which basically will add the number with the new contact screen, and yeah, it will save to your contacts. So the contact details screen looks like this, where there are shortcuts to start conversation, to send or request money from that person. You can see some information about the chat, last online, mutual contacts, and some links if the person has like a full profile. You can also shuffle through this step, scrolling through this step to see all the shared medias or photos and to see all the transaction history between this person. I think that would be also useful. This button, as I mentioned here, will be to block or mute the person if you don't want to be negged or to configure the notifications. And yeah, from this screen we will go to the organization screen, which in the first place you got the nearby. So if you don't have uh, location access, GPS access to the application, this will show a message that you need to add. And on this bottom part, I imagine that it might be in the future a good idea to have some kind of recommendation. So that could be a business model of its own. If somebody wants to be featured from the organizations or from the merchants, he can go there. And I also added like browse categories here, which I guess it will have all the categories with the number of merchants, and you can filter them by clicking here. So if you notice that if you scroll down, the nearby section is not losing itself, but basically it's just like the category icon, the name, and the type, the category of the merchant as well. I think that's a good idea because if you want to pay, to some nearby merchant, basically you need to be accessible quickly to do that. And this would be horizontally scrollable as well. So from here we can go to the merchant details screen. So you get the logo here, you get the statistics, followers, reviews, and stars, which also are on top visually represented. We have the name, the type, the category icon here, rate and comment button, and follow. And we get the reviews structured like this, because I guess when you read the review, you basically, the most important thing is the amount of stars that person gave in that review. And then you get the text, you get the date, the name, the photo, etc. And also you have a shortcut to pay this merchant, and the pay flow would be the same basically as in the contacts in the chat. So yeah, I guess that's about it. I didn't get to finish the profile screen, the settings screen where you can add cards, because all these transitions and thinking took a little bit more. But I will continue on this one when I get back from Lisbon. And as well, you have like the same shortcut to pay here in organizations, which basically would be the same as create new chat. So instead of start conversation with, it will be pay to merchant, and then the merchants will be sorted with the location, like the closest one will be on top and then the other ones on the bottom. So I hope you liked this, and I guess future will have some work to do before I finish the profile screen. And if you have any feedback, I'm back on Friday, so we can talk Friday or over the weekend. Thank you for your time, and talk to you. Bye bye.